Hi everybody, my name is Zach. Come, let me show you what CapCut interface look like. After you download CapCut on your phone, click on it and this page will be shown to you. And on this page, you can see I have already saved projects. And if you want to create a new project, you can click on new project and some other options there. If you want to see more, just drag it down and like this. You have setting button, you have this alarm in case there is new update. You can set an account for your CapCut. You can see Zakaria Aliyu. We have photo editor and some other options you can see there. And also for your project, you can decide to show it as list view or icon view. Currently I'm showing my project as icon view. If you want to change it to list view, you can click on it. This is the list view and also this is the icon view. So in case you want to select the project, you can also click on it and click on select, and you can select more than in case you want to delete or you want to do other things. Now let's create a new project, and you can see I have couples of things on my project. You have to select what you want to bring in, and let's say I want to bring in this. You select it and bring this and this one. All right, and after that, as you are picking it, it will be showing on this page. You can see it showing. If I select another one, see it's adding on this small page there. And once you are good, you click add. This is the interface, CapCut interface. This is the CapCut interface. We have the program monitor, we have our timeline. This is the program monitor and this is the timeline. On our program monitor or before program monitor, we have this red option here, indicate that in case you want to, you can also download CapCut for your desktop, your system. That is not what I want to do now. Cancel. And also you can set the bitrate in time of resolution. So you can set the resolution in case you want to shoot 1080 4K, so you can increase it to any resolution you want to do, 720 480. So it depends on the resolution that you want to do. So let's leave it. And also the frame rate, so let's leave all these things for now. Let's go back to our interface. So this is how the interface look like. We have the timeline here. This is our timeline where you can see the footages that I import. So you can see the footage that I import on my timeline. And also we have some options here, commands, which are very important for us. They are very important to us. So we have edits. Under edit, we have a lot of things under edit. That is where we have a split, speed, animation, style, delete, bokeh isolation, camera tracking, volume, edit, auto framing. A lot of things are here that we are going to be using. I'm going to be discussing with you. And also we have under audio, we have sound, copyright, effects, extract and voiceover. So there are some people that would like, okay, let me just do voiceover. Okay, and so you can do voiceover right away. And also under text, title, we have add text, sticker, auto caption, a lot of option, auto lyrics in case you are making a musical video. So that is under text. We have overlay. You can add overlay. And what is overlay? I'm going to show you. I'm going to discuss it with you and what are the possible things you can do with overlay. Effects, we have ratio, filter, adjustment, adjust, we have sticker, we have canva. We are going to be working with in CapCut, and I hope you are going to enjoy this ride with me. And also we have the button, we have the mute button here, and also we have cover in case you want to create a thumbnail for your video. You can also add a thumbnail from your video. We are going to discuss more on that. So basically that is just what you need to know about CapCut. You see the timeline, you see the program monitor and our commands. You see the commands. So these are the commands that we'll be using. We have edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, ratio, filter, adjustment, sticker and canva. I will be discussing extensively in my subsequent video what we can do, possible thing that we can do with them. And thank you so much for joining this class. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and see you next time.